Hi viewers, today I will discuss how to install Git in termux. At first, two step. One step at first common update like that pkg update just wait for update. Okay, right now I want to clear terminal, then pkg install git. Just wait. Yes. Git install complete. Actually I want to discuss what is Git. Git is a distributed version control system that tracks changes in any set of computer files, usually used for work among two programmers who are collaboratively developing source code during software development, software tools, etc. So it's a Git. Mm, a GitHub, Git colon, enter some command. So right now I check the Git, type Git. So we are see the Git. At first, Git version. It's a parameter help, Git path, and something Git init, git log, graph, show status, rm, restore. Have a lots of available command. It's similar to a Linux command. It's similar to Windows command. Like to basically it's similar. So that's why it's is easy to understanding. So Linux termux basically like that Linux terminal. Thank you. No more today. Okay, bye bye.